On behalf of Bristol Bears, we're delighted to welcome Intercity into the family as managed IT service partner. Intercity will be sponsoring the women's back of shirt, as well as being an authentic club partner across our business.
Intercity have got so much synergy with Bristol Bears. Bringing the two organisations together just makes sense.
A huge value of both Intercity and with Bears Women as well is centred on trust, and we have each other to perform when it's needed and to do what is needed when it's needed. It truly is a partnership, and how we can bring some of those opportunities to light in the community with our women, and also some experiences for Intercity as well. So it's definitely helping us to empower our high performance teams.
We've been really impressed by the enthusiasm, professionalism and detailed understanding of the sporting ecosystem that Intercity already hold.
Bristol Bears is a new chapter for us. We've got some fantastic relationships in sport already, but not in the rugby space, and we're really excited to step into this chapter.
I'm so excited of such a big kit sponsor to work alongside us this season.
And I couldn't be any more proud to see the Intercity brand on the Bears ladies first team kit. This now really underpins our commitment to seeing that profile increase in sport and technology. I couldn't be any happier with the partnership with such a fantastic club that very much shares the same values as Intercity.
We're going to be working really closely with them to understand not just how we can get better as an organisation, but what we can give back to Intercity, and working hand in glove to drive forward both of our ambitions.